Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Credit Karma. First thing I want you to do is launch up Credit Karma, log into your account, and you just need to access your general settings first. So just come to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then from this drop down, what I want you to do is access general settings. So you can find them here by clicking on my profile, and then here you'll find different options. I want you to go and edit the phone number. So you can click here on personal information, and here you'll see your phone number. So I want you to go ahead and tap here on edit, and just go ahead and update your phone number. So enter that here, and then click on send verification code. We'll send you a 6-digit verification code to register your mobile number. Enter that code here, and you would have verified your new number. Now, it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.